Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to continue the quarter 3 week 1. This is the second lesson, the lithosphere and lithospheric plates. Objectives: define the lithosphere and lithospheric plates including their structures and components. Show curiosity and appreciation for Earth's dynamic structure by actively participating in class discussions and activities. Demonstrate through a simple simulation or hands-on activity how tectonic plates move and interact, collide, slide, or separate. So the lithosphere and lithospheric plates. Okay, have you ever felt the ground shake during an earthquake or wondered why volcanoes suddenly erupt? Bakit kaya may sumasabog na bulkan? Bakit kaya gumagalaw ang nagkakaroon ng lindol? It might seem like the earth beneath our feet is solid and unmoving, but in reality, it's constantly changing. So yung sa nakarang discussion natin, yung mantle is constantly moving because of the convection current. So continuously gumagalaw. Beneath the soil, rocks, and mountains lies a solid layer called the lithosphere, the outer shell of our planet that includes the crust and the uppermost of the mantle. So pag sinabi natin lithosphere, hindi lang yung crust, kasama pa yung uppermost part of the mantle. Kung titingnan natin dito sa picture, yung tinatawag na uppermost part of the mantle, yung pinakaibabaw ng mantle. Nandun yung kasama pa yun sa lithosphere. But here's the fascinating part. The lithosphere isn't one big unbroken piece. Instead, it is divided into large sections called the lithospheric plates or tectonic plates that fit together like pieces of a giant jigsaw puzzle covering the whole. So yung ilalim pala nitong Earth natin ay may mga tinatawag natin na fault lines. So it is being divided into different lithospheric plates. So what is lithosphere? Ulit po, ang lithosphere, ito yung crust saka yung upper part of the mantle. So the lithosphere is the solid outermost layer of the earth that includes the crust and the uppermost part of the mantle. So dalawa ang part ng lithosphere, yung crust and then pinakaibabaw ng mantle. It is not one big piece, it is broken into large moving parts called lithospheric plates or tectonic plates. So ano-ano ba yung mga major lithospheric plates? Ay kung titingnan natin, we have Pacific Plate, North America Plate, South America Plate, the Africa Plate, Eurasia, and Australia and Antarctic Plate. Yang araw na nakikita po natin yan yung tinatawag na movement. Saan ba yung direction papunta yung mga plates? Kaya meron dyan magbabanggaan, merong maghihiwalayan, merong magkakaroon ng sliding past with each other based on the motion, based on the movement of the plate. Yung tinatawag natin na plate boundaries based on motion. So number 1, Pacific Plate. The Pacific Plate is the largest tectonic plate on Earth. It covers most of the Pacific Ocean. This plate moves toward the northwest direction. Many volcanoes and earthquakes occur around its edges, forming the famous Ring of Fire. So kasama dyan ang bansang Pilipinas. So tinatawag na Pacific Ring of Fire. So example, the Philippines, Japan, and Hawaii are located along its boundaries. So number 2, the North American Plate. It covers most of the North America, part of the Atlantic Ocean, and a small portion of Siberia or the Asia. It includes both continental and oceanic crust. So the plate moves westward, interacting with the Pacific Plate along the San Andreas Fault in California. Ito yung napakalaking fault line dyan sa California na kapag gumalaw ay matinding damage ang mangyayari. Okay, the South American Plate. The South American Plate includes the continent of South America and part of the Atlantic Ocean floor. It collides with the Nazca Plate, causing the formation of the Andes Mountains, one of the longest mountain ranges in the world. So Eurasian Plate. The Eurasian Plate is one of the largest plates. The Great Rift Valley in East Africa was formed as the plate slowly splits apart. Yung tinatawag natin na diverging po yun. And then the Indo-Australian Plate. It covers the continent of Australia, the Indian subcontinent, and surrounding oceanic regions. The ancient part of this plate is pushing northward into the Eurasian Plate, forming the Himalayas. So Antarctic Plate, it surrounds the continent of Antarctica and extends under the Southern Ocean. It moves very slowly compared to the other plates. Most of it is covered by thick ice sheets. It borders several other plates such as the Pacific, South American, and African plates. Kung isa-summarize natin yung pitong major plates. So yung location ng Pacific Plate is sa Pacific Ocean. The key feature result of movement, ring of fire or volcanoes and earthquakes. So karamihan po dyan yung formation of the volcanoes because of the converging of plates, yung pagsasalubungan. North American Plate in North America, ang pinakasikat dyan is the San Andreas Fault. South American, Andres Mountain Formation.